crazy old Končar elevator. It's so small and it's quite worn out actually. It's from the 80s. I'd say early 80s, like 1983 or something. Just when they started putting in these folding inner doors to new Končar elevators. As you can see, it's quite fast. Serves 8 stations. Look at these doors now. Just shut like crazy. Let's go down now. Look at this now. Check this out. They're just shut like crazy. This thing can really kill you if you stand in its way in the area of operation. And yes, this is a very small elevator, so I can't really film well. This will be just one ride and sayonara. And here we are. Let's watch my feet. By the way, this is a very nice 30s building. Very strange architecture. Let me just show you this. Very nice architecture. In the corner.